Tingnan niyo naman. Ano to siya? Height matters. Paano to pag-change? Nakaganyan talaga tayo mag-change, guys. So, dito na kami sa bahay. Nakauwi na kami from the christening. Masaya naman. Ang oras na ngayon ay almost 4 p.m. So, si Max ay nag-enjoy talaga. Madami kasing toys sa venue. Yes. At saka may mga bata doon. So, nice naman at saka nagpe-play at nagso-socialize si Max. Hindi ako naka-vlog masyado kasi syempre may mga tao doon na hindi namin kakilala, baka ayaw din mag-video. So, hindi ako masyadong nagkuha ng videos. Pero it was an intimate baptism talaga. So, mostly talaga family ng papa ni Kayon. Tapos sa mother side, kami lang ata mga Pilipino din. Kami lang talaga. Pero it was nice talking to another Filipino din. At saka very friendly naman yung iba. Masaya. So, napakasaya. It was really nice na mag-socialize din sa ibang tao, makipag-usap sa ibang tao, right? And Max played with other kids. Although minsan, sinisigawan niya kasi inaagaw yung toys. But I think it's also nice for Max to see other kids and other people, especially yung mga bata, tapos inaagawan siya. So, na-realize niya na, kailangan niya mag-share. So, yun yung lesson sana na learn ni Max today. And, yeah, don't pull it, Max. It was really nice. Thank you very much, Ness and Chris, for inviting us. Oh guys, so ikikwento ko lang how Ness and I actually met. We just actually met sa delivery ward. So when baby Romeo and syempre baby after ng delivery ko, after ng cesarean section ko, transfer ako sa delivery ward. And then, not knowingly, yung katabi ko, kasi sa dito, bay kasi yan. So, isang room, bala, tapos divided lang by curtains. So, usually, 6 patients. So, 3 sa left, 1 sa right. So, andun ako sa furthest na part, na malapit sa window. Tapos, sa middle na area, meron palang other patient na hindi ko alam is si Ness. And kasi naka-curtains yan so covered. So, maririnig mo lang yung mga voices. And minsan, naririnig ko nag-English. At saka may accent talaga. So, sabi ko, okay, maybe British or I think Asian to siya na lumaki na dito. Yun yung perception ko. And then, after that day, kadung papalis na sana ako, discharge na ako that day, bigla lang siya pumasok sa area ko, sa bed space ko. Kasi mayroon ding HCA doon na Pilipina. So naririnig ko, kinakausap niya sa bed space niya. Tapos nagkukwentuhan sila ng Tagalog. Sabi ko, Filipino, ano pala yan, patient. And then, nung pumunta naman yung HCA na Filipina sa bed sa amin. So, kung nakausap, tinatanong ko, taga saan siya? Alam mo na yung mga Filipino, di ba? Talaga, very friendly talaga. Especially sa kapwa Filipino. And then, sinabi na, actually, yung kapitbahay mo dyan is Filipino. Doon ako nagka-idea na, sabi ko, Filipino din pala yung kasama ko dito. And then, sabi ko, on that day na, alam na remember ko, breastfeed ko yun si baby, tapos nakaupo ako. Tapos we're on the process na sana na mag-discharge at that night. So, si Ness still pregnant at that time, parang may complication, and nagstay siya sa hospital for 2 weeks, parang minomonitor yung baby. So, pumasok siya sa bed space ko, tapos doon lang, we get to know each other. So, doon kami nagkwentuhan, taga saan, ganun. And then, doon talaga nag-start. And from then on, nag-exchange na kami ng contact details sa Facebook. Tapos, nag-messaging na kami. And kasi nga si baby Romeo din ay 2 times din kami na-admit niyan because of jaundice. So, at that time, nung bumalik kami na-admit kami ulit, nakita pa din namin si Ness sa hospital. Kasi still pregnant pa siya. Parang on the process na din siya na ipa-deliver niya yung baby through, cesarean section. Pero after the delivery, after na sa bahay na din kami, still we're getting in touch until yung mga moments na nagsasabi na, oh, punta kami sa bahay niyo or punta kayo sa bahay namin, gano'n. So, they visited us here in our house. At the same time, we also visited them. And very nice naman, very nice sila na couple. And alam mo yung kahit ang bilis nyo lang magkakilala, but then you will feel na, okay, parang true, genuine person to siya. Ganon. So, yun yung na-feel ko. Until na, yun na, nagka-imbitahan nas din sa baptism. So, ayan, na-invite din kami as a family and na-privilege din si Romeo na inask siya na maging ninong. So, parang yun lang. What a surprise, you know? Parang ang bilis. Hindi mo talaga masasabi ang panahon or mga experiences, mga conversation, mga interaction mo sa ibang tao, no? And then, you will find out na magiging friends, close friends mo sila. It was really nice here. And also, guys, before mawala na yung light, I want to show you our Christmas tree, ang ending na. Ito. So, yan na, guys. Yesterday evening, pumunta kami sa shop doon, malapit sa amin. Tapos, bumili lang ako ng itong blue and white na tinsel. Actually, dalawa yan sila. Last two na yan sila. Sabi ko, just to add an accent sa aming Christmas tree. Kasi last year, ito lang talaga, all white. So, ngayon gusto ko mag-add ng parang something na different. So, ayan, nilagyan namin ng blue tinsel. And then, nakabili na din kami ng Christmas star. I was actually looking for an angel kasi dito sa UK, ang nilalagay nila on top is usually angel, hindi yung star. Wala kaming makita. So, ayan, star. Hindi pa yan siya final, guys. May price pa yan. So, isa-set up pa yan ni Romeo later. Ito ay the battery. So, lalagyan pa siya ng battery. So, hindi pa yan final. Isa-set up pa yan later. Tapos, Max, just don't touch me. So, yan. I think that is it. That's our Christmas tree for 2025. Yeah, that's a Christmas tree with Christmas balls and Christmas tinsel. And obviously, si Max ay gustong-gusto niya. Yeah. Oh, don't touch, please. Don't ruin our Christmas tree. Can you put it back? This one, no? Don't touch, kaya masira atong Christmas tree. That's it. Especially pag mag-light na yung Christmas lights, gustong-gusto talaga ni Max. So, yan. Na-enjoy naman niya. Don't jump kasi may ano. So, that is it. We're gonna rest na, guys. And tomorrow is another work day. So, kailangan mag-work. And magbabantay na naman ng bata. But overall, this weekend has been great. So, thank you very much, guys.
The next day.
Someone wants to join us. So this will be all Mio's clothes. I'm gonna make sure, pili pa. I'm gonna choose which one to bring because there's still lots of clothes there, but I'll choose the most important clothes. Okay, so this will be my clothes, and on this side, we have Mio's clothes and Max's clothes, so we've separated them. Romeo's clothes will be here. When he gets home, he'll just put everything there. So far, guys, this is what we have in this box. Max's book. So this is his favorite at the moment, colors of things. He likes that. And then I also bought, of course, my makeup, some toiletries. We've got the white noise for Mio, and then the monitor, in case Mio will sleep. And the most important thing is this chair for Max when he eats. So we can just attach. I don't know what it's called, but it's very, very handy, especially for Max when we travel. So far, those are the things. Then we'll add more later. Okay, update. It's almost 6 na. So, this is Max's bag. This is Mio's bag. Tapos, ito na yung Tupperware. Almost, ready. Si Max ay nakapantulog na. Halloween costume. And he already ate. So, next is Mio na lang. We're gonna change and feed him before we go. And the card on ni Max.